Hey guys, this is Lauren from ClickBank, and I'm here with the top 5 products on ClickBank for March 2024 that are outside of the health and fitness niche. Why are we breaking it up that way? Well, if you've followed our top offer segment for a while, you know that health and fitness products tend to dominate. And we want to make sure that we cater to all the different types of ClickBank affiliates with these top offer videos. So this time around, you're going to see offers that cater to affiliates outside of the scaled media buyer crowd, including email marketers, bloggers, publishers, social media influencers, and content creators. Ready to see which ClickBank affiliate offers made the list in March, which just so happens to feature some great spirituality offers and the return of a classic language offer for spot number 1. Let's dive in. In spot number 5 is numerologist. This is a classic spirituality offer on ClickBank that continues to be a top seller. What makes it special is its patented personalized VSL that converts like crazy. You'll have to sign up with them and get whitelisted. Once you do, you'll be earning 90% commissions, which means you can keep nearly all of each sale of the numerologist that you generate. That's pretty cool. Here's why numerologist is so good for affiliates. 1, it's had years of staying power. 2, it features an amazing commission rate of 90%. And 3, it comes with a unique personalized VSL that doubles conversions. And of course, it's a great product that spirituality audiences love. If you think this could be the offer for you, head over to ClickBank Marketplace and check out their listing today. Let's take a look at the stats. EPC is 27 cents, APV is $11.35, and the hop conversion rate is 2.36%. In spot number 4 is Pineal XT. Pineal XT is a dietary supplement based on formulas that's said to be able to supercharge the pineal gland. According to the minds behind Pineal XT, the pineal gland can help awaken your third eye. The products also come with free shipping and 2 bonuses for customers who order multiple bottles, the top 5 manifestation methods, and awaken your psychic powers. This is a unique opportunity to market a dietary supplement to a spirituality and manifestation audience. It has the average payout and earnings per click to prove it. The offer features CPAs for top affiliates, plus rebills to boost your lifetime earnings. Visit their tool pages today to learn more and start promoting. Let's talk about the stats. EPC is 93 cents. Whoa, APV is $151.83. And the hop conversion rate is 0.61%. And in spot number 3 is the Billionaire Brainwave. This one is a spirituality product all about tapping into the brainwave that can lead you to financial abundance, even following in the footsteps of billionaires. Affiliates are loving this offer because it has a wide audience. If you think about it, who wouldn't want to find the brainwave that makes attracting money easy? Plus, check out the APV of $51. That's great for a digital product. Head over to our marketplace today and grab the link to start promoting Billionaire Brainwave. Let's check out the stats. EPC is 52 cents, APV is $51.14, and the hop conversion rate is 1.03%. Actually, now that I think about it, if you want more information about this offer, you can contact Kyle Kostecka right here in the comments. Hey guys, if you're liking this content, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you want to check out some more branded offers and e-com brands that we have on ClickBank, you can check out our description below. In spot number 2, we have the Genius Wave. From the team behind the Billionaire Brainwaves comes the Genius Wave. This offer is all about improving brain power so you can learn and think like a genius. You got it. For affiliates, this product is amazing. You'll want to head to our marketplace today to check it out. Let's look at the stats for Genius Wave. EPC is 66 cents, APV is $52.09, and the hop conversion rate is 1.27%. Hey, if you want to learn more about this offer, you can totally connect with Kyle Kostecka at our ClickBank Connect event here in Boise. Check out the link below in our description. All right, drum roll please. What is our top non-health fitness offer for the month of March? It's Rocket Languages. This is a fantastic, long-standing product on ClickBank's marketplace, and for good reason. It features a range of popular online language learning courses like learning Spanish, French, Italian, German, and more. This offer was closed to new affiliates for a while, which is one reason its numbers are so high. We're talking an average payout of nearly $90 and a conversion rate over 8%. What? Shocking. Best of all, it's open again now, so if you have the right audience and the marketing chops, be sure to apply so you can promote Rocket Languages today. Let's check out the stats. EPC is $7.56, APV is $89.36, and a hop conversion rate of 8.45%. Drop your questions and insights into the comments. As always, we appreciate you watching. Hit the like and subscribe button to stay in the loop on all ClickBank top offers. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and I'll see you next month.